Well, legend has it that the modern sandwich takes its name from John Montagu, the Earl of Sandwich in England, dating back to 1762. Just so happens that November 3rd, just today, guess what? It's National Sandwich Day. Now the story goes that Montagu popularized the dish because he wanted something to eat without interrupting his card games. Luckily, there's no gambling on taste when we visit Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Did you know that today is National Sandwich Day? Well, it is, and that's why I thought it'd be fun to share one of the Test Kitchen's all-time favorites. I cut a loaf of Italian bread in half and removed the insides and toasted it. Now, we slather on a mixture we made by combining some mustard with a bit of brown sugar. On top of that, we pile on a good amount of sliced ham, turkey breast, tomatoes, and some chopped red onion. And get this, we top it with a healthy amount of coleslaw, some crushed pineapple that we've drained, and some shredded cheddar cheese. We put the top on, wrap it in foil, and pop it into the oven until all the layers are warmed through and the cheese gets all melty. And whether you serve this as a fun change of pace appetizer or as a fill-you-up sandwich, one bite is all it'll take, and you'll know exactly why this is one of our favorites. So in honor of National Sandwich Day, why don't you go online and get the recipe for our All-American Kitchen Sink. You see, we call it that since we practically put everything in it, well, except for the kitchen sink. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fill-you-up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Hey, you know what? You can find the kitchen sink and a lot more good food recipes from Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you need to do, visit our website, KOAMNewsNow.com.